Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ULEFONE Armor X12 and let me share with you how to enable the developer options on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. Then let's go to the version and keep tapping on the build number until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. Then you can go back to the general list of the settings and go to the system and tap on developer options. So here we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, you can show view updates, you can change window animation scale, show surface updates. Here we've got some options which are connected with the networking overall, etc. So basically to turn on the feature you have to simply tap on the switcher on it and it will be immediately activated and applied. Of course, you can turn it off the same way, and if you've got the options without the switcher, simply tap on them to open more options to choose from. If you're done with customization of developer options, you can turn them off just by tapping on the switcher at the top of the list. Most of the options will be inactive, and after getting back you can see that the developer options will disappear from the system settings, but of course no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.